Hey guys, this is Key, and I want to welcome you back to another episode of Key's Cars. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Today, we're going to take a look at the Cadillac Escalade,
Ladies and gentlemen,
and I want to imagine what it might look like if Cadillac chose to do an EXT version again. So let's talk luxury trucks. The Cadillac Escalade, the current version, starts at about $76,000, but it quickly jumps to over 100K when you start adding options. It's powered by a 6.2 liter V8, pumping out about 420 horsepower, and it's an awesome family hauler big truck. On top of that, it has one of the most amazing interiors to date because it has this brand new, I believe it's like 38-inch diagonally curved OLED display for the dashboard. This thing it's insane and I love it. So, with everyone making off-road variants of their trucks that cost well in excess of $100,000 once you spec them out, could it be an opportunity for a luxury truck to come back into the market? Cadillac discontinued the EXT version in 2013 because it had slow sales. Nobody bought it. Well, I can't say nobody, but very few people bought it. I would assume it'd probably be the same case now, but you never know. And that's what I want to do in this episode. I want to take the Cadillac Escalade and see what it might look like if they went ahead and brought back the EXT. All right, guys, let's key this car. Here we go. So I want to start by taking a look at the 2013 version, the older version of the Escalade, and kind of see what the points were that were on this truck that made it so unique. So the first thing is going to be these triangle shapes right on the back of the bed. They flank the back of the cab and connect it to the bed, and it was the same thing that they did on the Avalanche of the time. Of course, they did these in body color to make them look a little bit more exclusive, I guess. But that was one of the things that they did. We may want to adjust the ride height. I don't know. I think the ride height is probably going to be okay for right now, so I may or may not do that. I want to look at the bed as well and see if there's a way to integrate some sort of opening on the back. And so now we're going to look at the new one. So number one, what I want to do is, for one, I would like to carry over some of these components from the old version. So again, on the bed, maybe put some sort of latch back there, but I don't know. We'll see. I kind of like the way the simplicity of the design there. And then, of course, we've got to get that wedge shape in there. And I love that the new Escalade already has that wedge. I want to bring it out a little bit more, but do it a little bit more subtly than the way it was on the 2013 version. And then I love this line on the roof, on the end of the tailgate. I want to keep that. So I want to see if I can take this back glass panel on the tailgate and make that the back glass for the cab if this were the truck version. Again, ride height, I think we're okay there. I think we're okay. And then the last thing that I'll probably need to do is I want to extend the bed. It looks kind of funny, and even on the old one, the bed is short, which is fine, but I'm a truck guy, and so I'd love to just extend that bed a little bit, see what it looks like with a longer cargo hauling area. And other than that, it'll be some cleanup on the background. Yeah, so I think with that, we're good to start going. Let's go.
What we do here is go back.
All right, guys. So here we go. That's my version of the Cadillac EXT. If they did it in 2021, there are a couple of things. My screen recording actually died on me right at the end, and I didn't notice it. But there was a couple of things that I added right after the screen recording died. There was some detail down here on the bed that I wanted to carry over from the side panel, and so I did go ahead and add that there. And then I always loved the way they had that side vent on the old Escalade, and so I added a slim, trim, very clean side vent right on this front fender area. But other than that, man, this is it, guys. I really like this design. I like the way it came out. If I were in the market for a luxury truck, I would definitely consider this, especially with all the tech that you get with it, with the standard versions. And so I think it's a great looking truck. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Go ahead and destroy that like button. And if you like what you saw, please subscribe. I'm building the channel, and I'd love to have you guys along for the ride. So thank everyone so much for watching so far. And yeah, until the next time, I'll see you then. Take care.